fucking truck.
Alright everybody, welcome back to the Ozone. We're in our jewelry section, so we'll be still trying to do some shoe stuff. Read this one. This one reads the light ginger, black and white, the Air Jordan 14 Retro. KA the Jordan 14 Retro Light Gingers, I believe these are called. Not a big 14 guy, but 14 has a place inside of Jordan culture. I mean, one touch this shoe is so white. I don't know what this shoe did. I don't think it was too popular. I tried to sell all mine before the release because I kind of knew. Seems like all the general releases are kind of bombing now. You see, you get a white mud guard on this shoe, light ginger side panel, Jordan 14 logo, Jumpman. You get Jumpman and the 23 on the back. Not a bad back. Nothing spectacular on this side of the shoe. There's nothing really special about the shoe. Jordan tongue, Jumpman on the toe, Jordan 14 bottom with the light ginger touch. Everything in shoes is pretty boring right now, so there's nothing really to show. Haven't been releasing too many good shoes. If they do release them, we'll be coming at you. So yeah, it's just the Jordan 14. Like I said, as I look at this Jordan 14, it's really nothing special on this shoe. The light ginger color does make it hit, but I personally don't like this front panel. But yeah, to each their own. Like I said, I've never been a big Jordan 14 guy. I was trying to see I like different Jordans, but the 14 is still not on my category. Let me give you guys a look at what the shoe is going to look like on your feet. What do you guys think about the Jordan 14s? They're a cop, a pass, or a leave? Let me know what shoes you guys want to see on the channel next. Let me know what shoes you guys are buying. Everybody make sure you stay safe. Have a nice day out there. It's not a bad Jordan. It just seems like it's a regular Jordan.